The if statement is one of the basic building blocks of programming, and it's how we design the logic in our program. So let's see how that works. Um, First, I'm gonna set up a variable age here, and let's say we're gonna do say uh, like a movie theater that provides people with discounts depending on their age. So like little kids and senior citizens can get a discount when they buy their tickets at the movie theater. So we'll just want to show something like that. Um, so here's a simple program that just prints out, thanks for buying a ticket. Let's make sure that runs. So there it is, thanks for buying a ticket. So that's fine. Now we wanted to print out if, say, the age is less than 10 years old, then it should also print out you got a discount. How do I do that with the if statement? So I say if parentheses age is less than 10, then I want to print out you got a discount. So when I run that, Shift Command F11, prints out thanks for buying a ticket. It didn't print this out, and you see why. It's because age was 44, and this says if age is less than 10, well, age is 44, so that's not less than 10, so it's not going to print this out. If, however, age was, say, 7, and then I run it, then it does print out you got a discount, thanks for buying the ticket. That's the basics of the if statement. Let's say I want to get a discount if your age is less than 10 or bigger than 65. I can do that as such. I use the or, so that means or in Java. So age is less than 10 or age is bigger than 65. I'll run that. It's going to print that out. Let's test it now with an age that is bigger than 65. You got a discount, and let's test it with an age in between. And there should be no discount in this case. No discount. There you go. So that's or is the or statement, and that is the and statement. Ampersand ampersand is and in Java. So rather than writing the words or and, you have to write that for or and that for and. Okay, let's say we want to show that you did not get a discount. How would I do that? That's where the else comes in handy. So I can put an else in there, and you did not get a discount. You can run that, and it will print out, because age is 55, it goes through here, age is 55. Is 55 less than 10 or bigger than 65? Well, no. So it goes through the else part, else you did not get a discount. So it prints that there. If I had, going back to age of 5, I go there and it prints you got a discount. Now, one thing to watch out for here is that these need to be blocked when there is more than one statement. So for example, if I wanted to print something else out here, after I do that, you see that there's this little red line here, syntax error, token else, delete this token. So Java doesn't let me put more than one statement after the if part, unless, of course, you put the whole thing in a block. And you do that by using the curly brackets. So now I put the curly brackets there. Now I can run these two lines as part of the then part, so if age is less than 10, in between these two numbers, both of these are going to be printed out. Let's test that. I make that 15, so that runs. Sorry. I gotta make age less than 10. 6, and now this whole, both of these run, so it prints that and that. Doesn't print the else part, and then it goes through and prints out this part. Now another thing to be careful of, you see I have here is a block, and this one is just a line. So be careful of that. The other thing is the less than or equal. So what if age was 10? What will this program do in that case? Well, age is 10. Is 10 less than 10? No, 10 is equal to 10. So 10 is not less than 10. So when you run this, it's going to print out you did not get a discount. So if I want 10-year-olds to get a discount, I have to put less than or equal there. And I also should put this equal, greater than or equal sign. Now you see that doesn't work. It has to be greater than or equal to 65 for 10-year-olds and 65-year-olds to get the discount. Now both of them should get the discount. I'm going to run that again. And there it is. You got a discount. So this is the if-else part. You can also nest this, right? So we can say, well, say you have a discount, or well, let's say you don't get a discount. And since I'm going to nest this, say you don't get a discount, but let's say string name equals Bob. So if you don't get a discount, but your name is Bob, name dot equals Bob, then you're lucky day. But it is Bob Day. Congrats. So here I have if, else part. If you don't get a discount, it goes through, and then it checks your name. And you see the conditional part of the if here is now, it's not a math equation. Here I'm just using the name and the equals method of it, the string class, to check. So I'm checking, is the name equal to this string, Bob? In this case, they're going to be equal. And so it should print this out if you don't get a discount. So if I run it just as it is now, it says you got a discount because the age is 10. So I'm going to go with an age of, say, 16. Run that again. And you did not get a discount, but it is Bob Day. If your name is not Bob, let's say Bobby. Run that, and you don't get the congratulations. So that's it.